got some ammo that came in. Go ahead and so far for 2021. Box in a box. Got some normal tactical 726 by 39, 762 by 39. Got 25 boxes of that. It's from Sportsman's Guide. I think they were 15, 19 a box. Those. Plus grab some more 9. Those are from my local Sportsman sporting goods store, Dunkelberger. $15 a box. Get the rest of these out of there. Sportsman's Guide, 15, 19 a box. That one out of the way. These are directly from Federal. Ammunitions to send ammo directly to your home. Some 45. I think these were $31 a box. 40. I think these were 31 also. 9mm punch. Those were $18.99 a box, I think.
Daddy.
Okay.
I need more slides.
Okay. Let me get your Federal sticker. Let's see what else did we get in. Another delivery straight from Federal. Got some 380 punch. 5 boxes of 380. And I think these were $18.99 a box. And no sticker in that. All right, so 5 boxes of 380, $18.99 a box. 5 boxes of 9, $18.99 a box. 1 box of 40 hollow points. These are all hollow points. 1 box of 40, 1 box of 45. 9mm target ammo. And 7.62 by 39. $15.19 a box. $15 a box. $30 a box. $31 a box. $18.99 a box. And again, these were directly from Federal. This is from my local sporting goods store. And these were from Sportsman's Guide online. Alright. Ammo's still out there. You can find it at a decent price. I suggest you buy it before the 20th. As everyone is watching what's going on, get yourselves prepared. Thanks for watching.